In this video, I will be showing you how to create a grocery list in Canva. Let's get started. I'll begin by heading to the search bar and typing in grocery list to browse the available templates. There are plenty of great designs here, so I'll scroll through the results until I find a layout that fits my needs. I really like this minimalist table design, so I'll click on it and select Customize this template to open the editor. Once the project loads, I'll start by refining the look. I'm selecting the footer text and changing the color to black for better visibility. I'll also update the main header color to match, making the title clearly stand out. Now I'll zoom in to adjust the specific list items. I'm updating the quantities for my groceries, changing the amounts for the broccoli, bell peppers, and other items in the table. I'll quickly move down the list, setting the correct numbers for my proteins, grains, and pantry staples. To make this a clean template for my shopping trip, I'll go ahead and delete the example total at the bottom. Next, I'll clear out all the individual prices in the right column so I have a fresh start. I'm just clicking through each cell and removing the numbers one by one until the column is empty. Finally, I'll zoom out to see my finished custom grocery list, perfectly organized and ready for use. Thanks for watching.